You touch your face and something feels off. Maybe it's rougher than usual, or strangely sensitive. That's your skin telling you something important. This is called the touch test, and it's one of the easiest ways to check if your skin barrier is damaged. When you gently press your skin, healthy skin should feel smooth and bounce back. Damaged barrier skin feels rough, tight, or even stings slightly. So what causes this damage? Over-cleansing is the biggest culprit. Using harsh scrubs, washing your face multiple times a day, or using products with strong actives without proper hydration. Weather extremes and stress also play a role. Here's the good news. You can fix this. Switch to a gentle pH-balanced cleanser. Add a ceramide-rich moisturizer to lock in hydration. And here's the key. Give your skin a break from active ingredients for a few weeks. Your barrier can rebuild itself in about 28 days with the right care. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more skincare tips. Drop a comment with your biggest skincare concern. I'll cover it next.